All right, so you can tell this is a beautiful subdivision, cul-de-sac home. Can't see that home there, it's massive. The home next door is massive. And we've got this beautiful brick home that we're gonna be showing today. This is, believe it or not, 31 minutes from the heart of downtown Atlanta. 31 minutes. People don't think that when they think Villa Rica. We're right close to the expressway, so it's real easy to get on I-20 and go straight into the city. Our client does it every day to get to work off of Auburn Avenue. But it's an executive style home. You have a beautiful 2-story foyer here when you come in. One of the things that you're going to notice is the amount of detail. If you take a look at the molding, the detail within the molding, it's beautiful. Even looking at the baseboards, it's, what was that, 6-inch, 8-inch baseboards there? This is true hardwood, not engineered or anything of those less expensive options. We've got the real thing. If you ever wanted to sand it down or anything like that, you could. Then we have what, most people are going to use as an office, working from home, their own separate executive feeling office, again, with more details. Beautiful, plenty of room for furniture to decorate. It's technically a formal living room, but who uses those? Here, one of the things, the scale of the home, we're actually able to have furniture and walk through, and it's wide. Plenty of storage options throughout the home. But here, 2-story family room. With a fireplace and everything, and look what overlooks into it. Beautiful kitchen. Got a catwalk up there. Again, more details, more molding, even, what's that, 20, 30 feet up in the air. Here in the kitchen, it's one of the larger kitchens in this price range. In the homes over here, I've seen some of the others that are either ugly, small, no counter space, tight. This one, we're able to have this massive island. There's 3 chairs right there, it's very long. More countertop space, more cabinet space, sink overlooking a window, which is always a plus. But not only do you have room for a dishwasher, for all of my wine lovers, can you imagine Thanksgiving dinner? We're able to get 2 ovens in here. One for the turkey, one for the ham. Microwave, coffee center, breakfast area. Nice for your sweets and whatnot. And then you got your pantry through here. I'm not going to show it, just take my word for it. The garage is massive. I drive a big old truck, and I'm jealous of this garage. I would be able to fit my truck in here and have 10 feet of room, versus I can't fit in my current garage. So everything, the scale of everything here is nice. It's not too big, but the space is everywhere you need it, or you would find helpful. For those that have guests, you can either make this a private office or your official guest room, especially if you have older parents or something that live with you or stay with you, come by, because it has its own bathroom and everything all on the main level. Its own closet. I'm gonna show you guys the basement first. So down here in the basement, we've got storage here to the right. It's a big storage room, non-finished storage room. Another large hallway. It kind of mirrors what's upstairs, but again, it's not the cheap baseboard. That might be 6-inch and upstairs 8-inch. And then we've got double molding even in the basement. Amazing detail around that fireplace and above the windows. Boom, another large island. Technically a second kitchen down here. If you ever wanted to make this an in-law suite and add a stove or something like that. Microwave, full refrigerator. Really a great place to entertain or host a parties, Super Bowl, UGA. Let me not forget this. So we've got a covered screened-in porch above. It's a really nice extra living space. But we also, since it's covered, have more living space outside. Okay. And then we have a, well, let me show this. This is a bonus room. It's not technically a bedroom because there's no window, but you could use it for storage, bonus room, game room, all kinds of things. Cool. Guest bedroom. Beautifully set up. That's a king-size bed in here. Still room to walk around. Oh, I didn't get that light on. But we have the full bath and that's a large walk-in closet down there. All right, I'm up. Okay, a little out of breath. We made it all the way upstairs. So again, 2-story entry foyer. Beautiful detail. Catwalk overlooking the 2-story family room. More details. On this side, we've got 2 guest bedrooms that share the bathroom in the middle. Nice size room. You notice everybody's got nightstands. And that kind of gives you an idea of the space. Those are smaller rooms, you would only be able to fit 1 nightstand or no nightstand. We have your laundry upstairs, which is great, always good. And then we got something that's a little bit more kid-friendly. I think this is for the grandkids. Okay. Hope I didn't can't get the light on here, my apologies, but this one has an ensuite bathroom. That's the point of showing that, ensuite. And then, boom. Now, that's a master bedroom. Okay. So, king size bed, 2 nightstands, plenty of room on each side. Large sitting area. There's even a nook for furniture over there. Fireplace in the master. This is the third of the 3 fireplaces. Again, more details. And you can't have a big master without a big master bath. Separate jetted tub. And then a 2-person shower. That's 2 shower heads in there. Very large. If you're in a rush and both people got to get ready at the same time. That's your water closet. And this is your linen closet for your linens. And of course, a beautiful closet to wrap things up. All right, so this is what you can get in Villa Rica for under $700,000. And you're only 30 minutes away from Atlanta. You don't want to miss this opportunity. You don't want to wait too long before rates go up. Contact me today. This could be what you're looking down at in the morning when you wake up every day. Give me a call. I'd love to set up a private showing.